All right, here's something that you use every single day, but you may not even be aware of that can help you accomplish your goals and set you on a path towards your desires. So there's a part in the brain that's called the Reticular Activating System, the brain's RAS, which sits just above your brain stem right here. Now listen, this part in the brain helps filter information because there's so much information coming through each of our 5 or more senses that we can't even consciously comprehend. Now, here's the interesting fact behind this is the brain's RAS filters information to support you. So what does that mean? Your brain is constantly searching for information through 5 or your more senses that support the intentions that you set forth for yourself. I'll give you a quick example. It happens every single day of your life. When you're interested in buying a new car or you see a new car on the road that you're interested in buying, guess what? You see that car every single day for the next couple of weeks. It's not that that car wasn't there before. It's just now that you're interested in that car, you've gained a certain amount of awareness to now realize or now see that that car was always there, but now you're interested in it. So you can see how important it is for you to set the intentions for your goals, right? So if you want to accomplish your goals or your desires, guess what you have to do? You have to set your intentions. You have to be very specific and clear about what it is that you want. That is what's so amazing about the brain, which is within you. You are so powerful that when you set your intentions, your brain begins to find information that supports what you want. So the most important thing that anybody can do is set a clear goal. I remember when they told us this back in elementary school and middle school about how important goal setting was. It didn't occur to me that goal setting is a very, very integrated facet within our own brain. And if you begin to set your intentions and set your goals, your brain will find information that will help support your goals. But first, you have to figure out what you want. A lot of people struggle with that because they have no idea what it is that they want. When you set your intentions, your brain will help guide you to the desire that you're searching for. Not only that, your awareness begins to change and you start recognizing new opportunities that were always there, but now you're interested in those opportunities because you've set your intentions for your brain's RAS. And if you begin to do that, writing your goals down in the morning in a notebook, setting time aside to contemplate, to figure out what it is that you want in your life. When you do that, you set forth and use unseen energy that will begin for you to focus on circumstances that are in alignment to what you want out of life. Pay particular attention to this and use it throughout your life to help you find information that supports where you want to go. So I hope that was helpful. Set your intentions by using your brain's RAS. There's a ton of information out there. The biggest first step that I challenge you to do is to write down your goals. Get as clear as you can so you can visually see it in your mind, because if you can see it in your mind, then you can hold it in your hand. And if you see it in your mind, your brain's RAS will help guide you there and look for certain circumstances and information that'll help guide you. So comment below. Let me know how that works for you. It's truly extraordinary once you really start to do this each and every day. All right, thanks. I'm out.